What time is it?
It's science time!
Know that if we pour water or spill water on a table, it creates a puddle of water. But what happens if we take water and drop it onto a penny? How many drops do you think we can get onto this penny before the water spills over? Let's give it a try. Surface tension occurs because the molecules of liquid are attracted to one another. This cohesive force keeps the water from spilling over the edge of the penny. As we drop more water on the penny, we start seeing a rounded shape at the surface. The molecules below the surface are attracted to one another and pull in all directions. However, the water molecules on the surface experience an inward pull because they don't have as many molecules to hang on to. This is what makes the surface of water so strong. Eventually, we have too much water and the force of gravity is greater than the surface tension of the water, causing it to spill over. Thanks for being part of our crew today and checking out this short clip from DIY Science Time. If you like this clip and you want to see more exciting science, check out the full versions right here on the channel. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting DIY Science Time.